Hi, I'm Wongster1970. Today I'm going to be installing a set of saddlebag supports on my 1985 Honda Shadow VT700C. This is basically what one side looks like. These parts are separate. You get these two pieces, and then this bar. The bolts come through to install the bar ends together. And the part number is X00XP77LN. Comes with 4 of these bolts, 2 for each side and 4 washers. As you can see, I already installed one support already. I'm going to go and install the other side. First thing I'm going to do is remove this reflector. And to remove that, there are 2 clips back in up underneath here. Actually, there's only one, I think. One of them fell out. Have the clip off. I can remove this reflector, and this is where the saddlebag supports are going to mount. I also picked up a pack of 1/4-inch zinc flat washers. Hillman part number, well, there's the Lowe's part number, 43681. You're going to need 8 washers for this. This is how the saddlebag support will mount with the given hardware. You can see it does not clear the shock, so I'm going to add a spacer. These are 3/8 by 1/2 by 1 inch spacers that I picked up from Lowe's. The part number is 880417. You're going to need 4 of these. I'm putting a little Loctite on the bolts. This is Loctite 243. It's a medium grade locker. The kit did not come with any nuts, so these are 2 that I found on my spare bolts. They fit this. I believe it's a standard thread. Measure back approximately 5 inches from the rear foot peg to the bottom of the support. This is how I have it set up. I have a washer, the spacer, and another washer. I'll just tighten these down, and then we should be good to go. I torqued both of the sides down to 10 foot-pounds. 8 foot-pounds probably would have been good. But you can see they're both, the bags are sitting on there now, away from the shocks. As before, and actually rubbed the shock so much it wore a hole in the bottom of the bag. It doesn't go the whole way through, but still it irritates me. These are Viking bags. So that's it. That's it for installing the saddlebag supports on my 1985 Honda Shadow VT700C. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.